Trying to get property name of non-object. There are two posts on my database, one related to category and other one is not related. Its category it is null. In my controller get all post by paginate and pass it into view. In the view for each all posts is post. Then call to category relation to get name of category. There is a post which category it is null. That's why this error occurred. Let's see how to fix this. We can use notEmpty method to check category relation exists and then call category relation and then get name. Here now there are no more error and category name is empty for our record. If there are no category I want to show category name as uncategorized. So we can simply put uncategorized as a string into else part of notEmpty clause. Now the problem has solved. But is it the best way? No. The best and easiest way is use optional helper function instead of null closure. So then how could I show uncategorized if the post not belongs to category? It's also simple. We put default value option into category relation in post model. And assign uncategorized as default name. Hooray! Here we go.